it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and it's time for the 6 must-do CVS deals for next week. So I wanted to wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day. I hope you all have a great day today with your loved ones, and I wanted to make sure that I shared with you guys the deals coming up for next week so we can prepare for our savings and what are going to be some great items to grab. So these deals are going to go from Sunday the 16th until the next Saturday the 22nd. I have a couple scenarios for Revlon for you guys as well. One with some CRTs and one without. So for any newbies or anyone who doesn't have a ton of CRTs yet, there's going to still be some great deals for you guys. So the first deal is on Arm & Hammer detergent. I mentioned it in my ad preview as well. This is going to be a great deal. So it is buy one, get 2 free. And it's on the liquid and the pods, or they call them the power packs. So what you're going to do is pick up 3 of them. In my store, I believe they're $7.29. You would use a digital $1 off coupon. Then you would use $2 off coupons that we hopefully all printed from coupons.com, I believe 2 weeks ago. I know some of you have commented that some of your stores are not allowing you to use coupons on free items. A couple stores are making some changes. My stores have not yet. So it just kind of depends on what region you're in as far as if that is going to be the rule for you guys moving forward or not. So if you're at one of the stores that does allow you to use coupons for a free item, when you take off the $3, you'll pay $4.29 for all 3 of them, or just $1.43 each, which I think is an amazing price point for some laundry detergent. Next deal is going to be a great moneymaker. So whether you're a newbie or you have some CRTs, still going to be a great deal for you guys. And of course, it's going to track towards CVS Beauty. So every $30 we spend in beauty, we're going to get a $3 beauty back, which we should be hitting beauty a couple times this week. There's a hot L'Oreal deal for spend $30, get a $10 extra buck that I'm going to be doing in my Sunday haul, which will obviously count towards beauty as well. So for this one, for CoverGirl, it is on sale. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. So one thing you could do is pick up 2 of the CoverGirl Twin Brow Pencils. They are $5.99 each. Use 2 $3 off one eye coupons from coupons.com or the 126 Smart Source insert. Then, as you see here, we're going to get a $3 instant coupon from the Redbox Coupon Center. So, of course, like I tell you guys every week, make sure you stop at the Redbox right when you get to CVS. Type in your phone number. Hopefully your red boxes are working. I know a lot of you guys have mentioned that the red boxes in your areas are down. Fingers crossed that they get those fixed as soon as possible, or at least ask the cashier to see if she will honor the $3 discount for this deal. So with that $3 instant CRT, you'd pay $2.98. Get back a $5 extra buck, so final cost is free and a $2.02 moneymaker. Now, I have a 2 off of 8 CoverGirl CRT, so if you have that as well, or a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT, combine that. You'll pay 98 cents out of pocket, but we're going to get back that $5 extra buck. So this deal is going to be completely free and a $4.02 moneymaker. Okay, so this is a great deal on Revlon if you have some CRTs for you guys. So it is on sale. Spend $15, get a $5 extra buck, and it's a limit of 6. So you can do this deal up to 6 times. Each time you complete spending the $15, you'll get back a $5 extra buck. And as you see here, we're getting a $4 instant coupon at the coupon center. So we are going to be getting a ton of instant coupons next week, which is always amazing because they print out for everyone. Of course, if your red box is working, hopefully all of the red boxes that you guys have mentioned are down. Fingers crossed they get fixed as soon as possible, or that the cashiers at least honor this for you guys. So for this deal that I put together, I want to spend $30 or more because I have a 5 off of 20 Revlon CRT. And if you spend $30, you would then get back $10 of extra bucks. So I'm going to pick up 2 of the Matte Lip Hyper Mousse. It is $9.99 each. And one of the Candid face powder, also $9.99. So the total would be $29.97. My store does follow the 98% rule as well, so just kind of giving you a heads up on that. You're going to use 2 of the $3 off Revlon lip coupons from the 2.9 Smart Source and 1 of the $3 off face coupons, again from the 2.9 Smart Source. We're going to use that $4 instant coupon and the 5 off 20 Revlon CRT. We're going to pay $8.57 out of pocket, get back a $10 extra buck. We're also going to get back a $3 beauty buck in about 48 hours. So final cost will be free and a $4.43 moneymaker when you include that beauty buck. The next deal, I wanted to do a more newbie-friendly deal for you guys for the new couponers or anyone who doesn't have a ton of CRTs. Same deal, spend $15, get a $5 extra buck, but we're only going to be hitting it one time. So you would pick up 2 of the Lustrous lipsticks. They are $8.79 each. Use 2 of the $3 off lip coupons from the 2.9 Smart Source. Use that $4 instant coupon. You would pay $7.58, get back a $5 extra buck. So final cost is just $1.23 each, which I still think is a really, really great price point because you're starting at $8.79. So that's like a 90% discount, which is great. So the P&G deal for next week is spend $20, get a $5 extra buck. So one of the scenarios that I put together for you guys is buy 1 of the large Tides. These are the 92 to 100 ounces. They are $11.94. Then you'd pick up 2 of the Scott paper towels. They are $5.49 each. So your total would be $22.92. You would use 1 of the $2 off coupons. I think they were from the February P&G. I tried to look online, but I couldn't find it. So I'm not 100% sure about that. Then you would use $2 off coupons from scottbrand.com for the paper towel. And if you have a 2 off 8 paper towel CRT, throw that in as well. If you have any 2 off 8 or 3 off 12 Tide or laundry CRTs, you guys can, of course, use those as well. So with these CRTs and coupons, we would pay $16.92 out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck. So final cost is just $3.97 each, which is still a great deal because we're getting that huge Tide laundry. Of course, if you do put in the 3 off of 12 laundry CRT, then your price point is going to be a lot lower. It's going to be about $2.97 each. And of course, submit your receipt to Fetch for bonus points for Scott. Scott is a brand on Fetch that gives you bonus points, so you always want to make sure that you're scanning your receipt. I know I talk about Fetch all the time, and I love it the most for CVS deals because it has CVS gift cards. So unlike Walgreens, when you use a gift card, you can't use one on a spend deal or you won't get the rewards back. CVS is not like that. It's a lot easier to coupon at. You can use gift cards, virtual gift cards, you know, extra bucks, whatever, and you'll still get the extra bucks back. And on Fetch, you can cash out for CVS digital gift cards, which is what I use now every Sunday to pay the final out of pocket. So I always walk away paying almost $0. Another deal I want to share with you guys is on the Eucerin Lotion again. So we see this deal week after week, which is always, always great. It's a great lotion and pretty expensive. So it's on sale, spend $20, get a $10 extra buck. What you would do is pick up 1 of the Eucerin Skin Calming and 1 of the Eucerin Daily Hydration. So total would be $20.08, and this counts towards beauty as well. So you would use 2 of the $3 coupons from the 2.2 Smart Source. Use a $3.50 off of 15 lotion CRT. Pay $10.58, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So final cost would be just 29 cents each. Now in the ad, it shows the scissors right here with a $2. If you don't have the $3 off coupons, it's showing that $2 off coupons are going to be coming in our Sunday inserts. We also had $2 printable coupons on coupons.com. So if you have any of those, of course, those will work as well for this deal. And another freebie for you guys. This is another one anyone can do. And there's a few different ways you can get that coupon. So the Colgate Max or the 2-in-1 liquid gel is on sale. Buy one, get a $2 extra buck, and it's a limit of 2. So what you can do is pick up one of the Colgate toothpaste, whichever one you'd like. They will be $2.99. You can use a $1 off coupon from the 2 Smart Source, or if you don't have that, you can go onto Colgate.com and you can print out a bunch of different Colgate coupons. One of them, I believe, is a $1 off coupon for the Colgate Max Fresh. It's either $1 or 75 cents. You'll have to double check and get those printed. So if it is $1, you would pay $1.99, get back a $2 extra buck, so final cost would be absolutely free. We always love when we can get some oral care for free. We should never ever pay for oral care because we always get great deals at CVS and Walgreens. So those are the 6 must-do deals for you guys for next week. I did an amazing Ibotta haul today for you guys as well that I already posted. If you haven't had a chance to take a look at that, make sure you click this video here. We did the Weekend Warrior bonus, and we're tracking towards the Cupid bonus, which is get 30 rebates and you'll get an additional $10 back. So I also have my Walgreens must-do deals for next week and the how to use the Ibotta Rebate app. So make sure you guys check out any of these videos that you guys have not seen yet. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.